In a world where financial uncertainties are as common as the changing seasons, the age-old adage of "don't put all your eggs in one basket" has never rung truer. The path to wealth no longer wins solely through the predictable terrain of a 9-to-5 job. Instead, it meanders through a landscape enriched by the streams of diversified income. Welcome to a realm where financial security doesn't depend on a single paycheck but thrives on a symphony of revenue sources. In this video, we will unveil the art of creating multiple income streams, a strategic journey towards not just financial prosperity, but freedom and peace of mind. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to embark on a path that can transform your financial future. In today's rapidly changing economic landscape, creating multiple income streams has become not just a smart financial move but a crucial one. Gone are the days when relying on a single job or a single source of income was sufficient to secure your financial future. To build wealth and financial stability, it's essential to diversify your income sources. In this video, we will explore the concept of multiple income streams and provide you with actionable steps to get started on your path to wealth. Understanding multiple income streams. Multiple income streams refer to having more than one source of income that can come from various channels and investments. These streams can be active or passive, and they offer financial security by spreading risk. Here are some common types of income streams. Earned income. This is your primary source of income, typically from a full-time job or self-employment. It's the foundation upon which you can build additional streams. Passive income. Passive income includes earnings from investments, such as rental properties, dividends, or royalties. It requires minimal effort to maintain once established. Side hustles. These are part-time or freelance gigs that can provide additional income alongside your main job. They allow you to explore your passions and skills for extra cash. Business ventures. Starting your own business or investing in a startup can be a lucrative way to generate income, although it often requires more initial effort and risk. Investments. This includes stock market investments, bonds, mutual funds, or even cryptocurrencies. It can provide a source of income through dividends, interest, or capital gains. Steps to create multiple income streams. Now that we understand the importance of multiple income streams, let's delve into the steps to create them. Assess your skills and interests. 1. Identify your skills, passions, and interests that can be monetized. 2. Consider what you enjoy doing and what you're good at, as this will make the process more enjoyable and sustainable. Set clear financial goals. 3. Determine your short-term and long-term financial goals. 4. Define how much additional income you need to meet these goals. Create a budget. 5. Establish a budget to manage your finances effectively. 6. Allocate a portion of your income to start building additional streams. Explore passive income opportunities. 7. Research and invest in income-generating assets like stocks, real estate, or bonds. 8. Consider peer-to-peer lending, where you can earn interest on loans to individuals or small businesses. Develop side hustles. 9. Identify side gigs or freelance opportunities related to your skills and interests. 10. Dedicate a set amount of time each week to work on these projects. Start a business. 11. If you have a unique business idea, develop a business plan and secure funding if necessary. 12. Leverage e-commerce, drop shipping, or online marketplaces to reach a broader audience. Invest in education and self-improvement. 13. Continue to learn and improve your skills to enhance your earning potential. 14. Attend workshops, courses, or seek mentorship to expand your knowledge. Diversify your investments. 15. Avoid putting all your money into a single investment. 16. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk and potentially increase returns. Monitor and adjust. 17. Regularly review your income streams and financial goals. 18. Adjust your strategy based on performance and changing circumstances. As we draw the curtain on this exploration of multiple income streams, it's essential to remember that the road to wealth is not always a straight line. It's a journey filled with detours, obstacles, and unexpected opportunities. What sets you apart on this path is your determination, your willingness to adapt, and your commitment to continuous learning and growth. Creating multiple income streams is not just a financial strategy, it's a mindset shift. It's about taking control of your financial destiny, embracing change, and seizing the opportunities that come your way. With each additional stream, you're not only building wealth but also crafting a more resilient and flexible future. So, as you embark on this journey, remember that Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a portfolio of income streams. Start small, stay focused, and persist. Over time, those streams will flow together, converging into a river of financial abundance that can carry you toward the life you've always dreamed of, a life where you are in charge of your destiny. Now, armed with knowledge and inspired by possibility, go forth and forge your path to wealth through the creation of multiple income streams. The future is yours to shape, and the opportunities are boundless. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for a steady dose of engaging content delivered straight to your feed. Your subscription fuels our passion for creating more great videos. Thanks for watching.